Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have my wish I wish tonight. Do you have a wish? What will you do to make your wish come true? Today, we will read a story about a girl who wished for a wish to come true. The title of the story is Wishing Well. This story was written by Annie Pacanya Lumbao and drawn by Beth Parocha Doctolero. One windy afternoon, Mama and Tala went to the park. There were lots of things to do at the park. Some kids were taking turns for a ride on the swing. Others went up and down the seesaw, while a few were lined up for the slide. Others were flying colorful kites in the air. Tala noticed a number of people gathered around the brick well. A signboard was posted next to the brick well. Drop a coin and make a wish. "A wishing well," said Tala in delight. "May I have some coins, Mama?" Tala asked Mama. Mama pulled out a coin from her purse and gave it to Tala. Tala rushed to the well, stretched out her arm, closed her eyes, and made a wish. Then she opened her eyes and watched the coin drop to the bottom of the wishing well. "What did you wish for?" Mama asked. "I wished for more coins," Tala happily exclaimed. Mama was puzzled. "Could you give me some more coins to throw in, please, Mama?" Tala pleaded. Are you really throwing away coins but wishing for more coins?" Mama asked as she fished out more coins from her purse for Tala. "It's just coins, Mama. It's not worth much," Tala insisted. "It may seem that way to you, Tala, but if you gather one coin after another, you will be surprised how much you'll get. Let me show you where else you can drop your coins," Mama said as she led Tala away from the wishing well. On the sidewalk, a few steps past the well, a little girl was seated beside her mother who was selling sampaguitas. She held a tin can in her hand where they kept the payment for the flowers they sold. The little girl's name was Ning Ning. She was about the same age as Tala. But unlike Tala, the little girl and her family did not have much. Around the same time each day, Ning Ning accompanied her mother at the park to sell sampaguita garlands. "Hi, Ning Ning," Mama greeted. Ning Ning smiled back. "Sampaguitas?" Alingsita, Ning Ning's mother, offered them a string of small white buds. "Mama, they smell good," said Tala. "Those are called sampaguita, Tala, our national flower. Alingsita and Ning Ning are lucky to have sampaguitas growing in their yard. They string them one flower at a time to make those beautiful necklaces. Ning Ning, this is my daughter Tala," said Mama to Ning Ning. "Hello, I'm Ning Ning. I saw you standing by the wishing well," Ning Ning told Tala. "Did you see the heap of coins at the bottom of the well?" Tala asked her new friend excitedly. "Yes, I did. I wish our tin could have as many coins as the wishing well. That way, I will have enough money for my baon for school," Ning Ning shared. "Pretty soon it will, Ning Ning." Alingsita smiled as she held her daughter close. Tala looked into Ning Ning's tin can and then at the wishing well at a distance. She can still see people dropping their coins into the well. Tala reached out her hands with the coins that Mama gave her and dropped them into Ning Ning's tin can. Aling Sita, I would like to buy some pagitas. They are so beautiful and fragrant, said Tala. Ningning thanked Tala with a smile. I helped string those flowers together. I hope you like your necklace, Ningning said. They're already my favorite, Tala gladly replied as she left with Mama and a handful of garlands. When you come back, let's fly a kite together, said Ningning, waving goodbye. Yes, see you again, Ningning, Tala waved back. It was nice of you to do that, Tala, Mama said. Tala did not know that Mama had something planned. As soon as they reached home, Mama scribbled something on a piece of paper. Mama then handed it to Tala to read. How to make a wishing well. What you'll need: 1 empty tin can, 2 drinking straws, scissors, paintbrush, a small piece of rectangular cardboard, masking tape, acrylic paint, pen and paper. Get an empty tin can and tape 2 straws opposite each other inside the can. Bend the top end of the 2 straws for them to meet in the middle. Make a small roof out of cardboard and place this on top of the bent straw poles. When the straw poles and the roof are in place, paint red and orange strokes all around the bottom part of the tin can with a paintbrush. Finally, on a piece of paper, write in bold letters, drop a coin and make a wish. Stick this sign on the can with masking tape. Tala eagerly searched for the things on Mama's list and followed all the instructions. She was amazed when she finished making her own wishing well. There you have it, your very own wishing well. Mama was proud of Tala's beautiful wishing well. Now, here is how it works, Mama instructed. First, make one wish that you truly like. Think of that wish every time you toss coins into your well. When you fill the well with coins, you can make your wish come true. Tala got excited. She started thinking of ways to have coins to toss into her wishing well. Aha! I will help sweep the floor so I can search for coins around the house. True enough, there were plenty of coins in different parts of their house. Perhaps her younger brother Gino played with some of her mama's coins and left them lying around. Aha! I will help sort the laundry and look for seemingly empty pockets. True enough, there were coins and even paper bills left inside pockets of some pants and skirts in the laundry. Aha! Mama and I can take a walk to school instead of riding a tricycle. That will save us some coins too. True enough, they could have some coins if they walked instead of rode a tricycle to and from school each day. Aha! I will help at Aling Lusing's sari-sari store. I will look after her store and maybe Aling Lusing will give me some coins in exchange. True enough, Aling Lucy was thankful for Tala's help every Saturday afternoon. She was also happy to give Tala some coins and candies for her help. Each time Tala dropped a coin, she whispered her one special wish. She dropped 5 centavo coins, 10 centavo coins, 25 centavo coins, 1 peso coins, 5 peso coins, and 10 peso coins. In no time, Tala's wishing well was filled to the brim. Look, Mama! My wishing well is already full! Tala exclaimed. Good job, Tala. Now, it's time to count all the coins you have collected, answered Mama. Put out all the coins from your wishing well and group them together according to how much each coin is worth. Put all the 5 centavo coins together, all the 10 centavo coins together, and so on. And then, we can easily find the sum of all the coins to know how much you were actually able to save. All in all, Tala was able to gather 20 pieces of 5 peso coins, 20 pieces of 5 centavo coins amounting to 1 peso, 40 pieces of 10 centavo coins amounting to 4 pesos, 4 pieces of 25 centavo coins amounting to 10 pesos, 60 pieces of 1 peso coins amounting to 60 pesos, 25 pieces of 5 peso coins amounting to 125 pesos, and 50 pieces of 10 peso coins amounting to 150 pesos, a total of 300 pesos from her small wishing well. "Did you make a wish as I told you?" asked Mama. "Yes, Mama, I did," Tala replied. "The wish you made is your goal for saving. It is very important that you make a wish. Your wish will encourage you to keep on saving. That is why I to make a wish that you truly like," Mama reminded Tala. "What did you wish for, Tala?" "I wished for a nice big kite that Ningning and I can play with at the park," said Tala with a twinkle in her eyes. "I think that's a wonderful wish. Let's go and buy your kite and make your wish come true," Mama said with an embrace. When Mama and Tala went back to the park, Tala was already holding her wishing well and a large star-shaped kite. "I hope you like this wishing well, Ningning. I made it myself. I'll tell you how it works," said Tala. "Thank you, Tala," Ningning answered with a sparkling smile. Mama and Aling Sita watched as Tala and Ningning flew their wonderful star, past the swing, past the seesaw and slide, and round the wishing well. Before the day ended, Tala told Ningning about how she saved enough for a kite. "Remember, Ningning," Tala reminded her friend, "it all starts with a wish." This story tells us about financial literacy, that even kids, even at their young age, can save money if properly guided. What's important is that they should have a goal and consistently save. This story also hopes to inspire and advise children to be responsible and competent managers of their resources. I hope you learned something from our story for today. Start saving, not only for today, but also for your future. Have a nice day. See you again. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have my wish I wish tonight.